Good morning, students. Welcome in science class, chapter 8, Animals Everywhere. Today we are doing next part, that is the migration among animals. In previous video we had discussed movement in animals in water, in air, on land animals, water animals, insects, birds, reptiles, humans, and keep your textbook open whenever you watch the videos of any subject and see the figures given in your textbook, so it will become easier for you to understand whatever discussion is going on. Now today's topic, it is migration among animals. First of all, what is meant by migration? Mass movement of animals from one place to another is known as migration. Altogether, when all that animals, they are moving from one place to another place, this movement, it is known as the migration. Now question will arise, why these animals, why they are doing the migration, why they are moving from one place to another place? Animals migrate to escape, to get rid of harsh weather. Sometimes unbearable weather is there, they can't bear it, so due to harsh weather they have to migrate to search for food. Due to harsh weather, now it has become very difficult to find the food, because the animals, they don't collect their food and they don't store it on the daily basis. They have to find their food, to search for food, and to reach their breeding places where they breed their animals. At that places also, sometimes for this reason also, they have to migrate from one place to another place. So some animals, they move great distances at certain times of the year. In one year, if you imagine twice a year or thrice a year, they are migrating from one place to another place, and that distance is also not only 1 year 2 kilometer, that distance is in 1,000 kilometer. So they migrate to escape harsh weather, to search for food, and to reach their breeding grounds. Breeding grounds means the breeding place where their animals, they breed their animals. Some birds like storks, Siberian cranes, and mallard ducks from other countries, they visit India every winter. Every winter, when winter comes, at the time their place, the condition becomes very harsh. At the time, from their place they come to our India, mostly these three birds. It is common that every year they visit India: Siberian cranes, mallard ducks, and the storks. Sometimes water animals also, they are migrating from one place to another place. This migration is very common in migratory fishes like eels. Eels are one kind of the fishes. They also migrate, or they also do the movement from one place to another place. Migratory fishes like eels, they spend their life in rivers. They are living in rivers, but they travel from the river to the sea to lay the eggs. For laying the eggs only, from the river they travel to the sea. And when the eggs hatch, when the eggs are hatched, at the time the parent eels die, वो मर जाते हैं, and the young ones again travel back to the river from where their parents had started their journey. So it is quite surprising that how that birds, how they will come to know that how that their parents had started their journey from that same river. Maybe God's gift. We will think that maybe God's gift, they are having some sixth sense that they will come to know that their parents are coming from this river only. But it is just now we have to believe what is given in our textbook, that After hatching the eggs, the parent eels, they die, and the young ones, they again travel back to the river from where their parents had started their journey. The same explanation it is given in your textbook on page number 77. And see figure 8.19 also. Some migratory birds, very lovely figures are given, pictures are given. Black swans, Arctic terns, Brahmini duck. These are the very colorful birds. They are the migratory birds. They are migrating from one place to another place. Locusts are harmful migratory insects. Locusts are insects only, but they are very harmful. Why? Because the swarms of locust, group of locust, it is known as the swarms of locust, पूरा group है, they will settle on the standing crops and destroy them. पूरा का पूरा ग्रुप है लोकस्ट का, वो फसलें जो उगी हुई फसलें होती है उसके ऊपर बैठ जाते हैं, उसको खा जाते हैं एंड दे डिस्ट्रॉय देम. सो दे आर वेरी harmful migratory insects. Many kinds of butterflies also migrate. Not only birds, not only animals. Sometimes the butterflies also, they also migrate from one place to another place. The monarch butterfly, one of them is monarch butterflies. They fly from Canada to Mexico every year. From Canada to Mexico, this much distance every year they are moving, they are doing the movement of this much distance every year. Monarch butterflies. The Arctic terns also travels a distance of nearly, here are some birds again given that how these birds, how they are migrating from one place to another place. So migration is most common in the birds. Why? Because they can fly in the sky. So for them it is very easier to migrate from one place to another place. So some common birds every year where they are doing the migration are, first one, Arctic terns travels nearly 35 kilometers between the Arctic and the Antarctic twice a year, not only once a year, but twice a year they are traveling 35,000 kilometers from Arctic to Antarctic. Arctic tern. This is the bird given on page number 77. See the middle figure, middle picture, Arctic tern. Blue and white color, light blue and white color it is given, that bird. So every year this bird, they travel the distance of 35,000 kilometers between the Arctic and the Antarctic. Next bird, that is the European stork. Travels from Europe to Africa every winter. When winter comes, their movement will start, their migration will start from Europe to Africa. When spring comes, again when that season changes, when the spring comes, at the time it returns to Europe to the same nest from where they had gone to Africa. Again when spring comes, they come back to their same nest. Next bird, that is the Siberian cranes. They nest in means they live in western Siberia and they migrate to India every year. As I told you earlier, that Siberian cranes, these are the most popular bird. They are migrating every year in India. They nest in western Siberia. They are living in western Siberia, but in every winter they are coming to India. They are migrating to India. You know the migration route, how much distance they are covering? Their migration routes stretches to about 6,450 kilometers. This much distance they are covering, and every year from Siberia they are coming to India after crossing this much kilometer. Now it is a great mystery. Yes, it is a mystery only and surprising also, that how these migratory animals decide where to go and in which direction to fly. Yes, the question आपके मन में मेरे मन में भी है. तो बर्ड्स को कैसे पता चलता है, ये एनिमल्स को कैसे पता चलता है कि हमें यहीं पर इंडिया है और यहीं पर अफ्रीका है और यहीं पर एंटार्क्टिक है. Yes, it is a mystery. It is a mystery for each and everyone. For each and every human beings, it is a mystery. Some animals take the help of sea currents. It is our belief. It is the human beings. It is the scientists. They are believing like that way that some animals take the help of sea currents. The reindeer animal, they find their direction with the help of the sun's rays. Reindeer is one animal. They are finding their way with the help of the sun's rays. Some birds, they follow the coastline. Sea coastline होता है उसको follow करते हैं and then they are flying. So it is a mystery that how that birds know that where to go and in which direction to fly. Scientists use various old and new method. They are also trying. Sometimes they are using old method, sometimes they are using the new methods to study the migration. They are doing this research on this. Sometimes they are fitting the rings and tiny transmitters on animals to track their movement patterns. Rings and tiny transmitters are fixed on animals to track their movement patterns. We should look after our feathered friends. All these birds are known as the feathered friends. We should look after them and protect them from any harm. It is our moral duty to protect each and every animals, not only feathered friends, each and every animals. Now page number 78. It's a fact that circle it is given. Just see in your textbook page number 78. It's a fact, circle it is given with the turtle figure where that chapter gets over. First point, birds like the purple moorhen and the pelican are local migratory birds of India. In India also, these birds, they are migrating from one place to another place, and these are the common birds, purple moorhen and the pelican. Second point, some animals make long journeys very quickly, very fast they are moving. Sea turtles, sea turtles can swim all day as fast as an athlete runs. You might have seen how that athletes, they are running from where that starting point to that finish point, how they are running. In that same way, that sea turtles also, they are doing their journeys that much quickly. So students, keep your textbook open and see the beautiful figure of figure 8.20, migratory birds. See how in that how in that mass they are doing that movement, how they are doing that mass migration. Birds migrate to escape harsh weather, to search for food and to reach their breeding grounds. Thank you students.